Find intercepts, asymptotes, end behavior, and repeating features before sketching.
A luminous wetland stretches out, shaping the daily path of a great blue heron. We can graph exponential, logarithmic, and trigonometric functions by identifying their key features. She wades deliberately through the shallow water. Just as this physical environment can be mapped, mathematical change is never random. It is strictly grounded by specific, measurable anchor points. The heron follows a rising shoreline through the wetland. Every trajectory is shaped by exact parameters. f of x equals 2 to the x power has y-intercept 0, 1, no x-intercept, and horizontal asymptote y equals 0. As x increases, the function grows without bound. As x decreases, it approaches 0 from above. This combination of a rigid lower limit and infinite momentum dictates a path of unbroken acceleration. She crosses a perfectly still, reflected channel without leaving the habitat. G of x equals log base 2 of x has x-intercept 1, 0, no y-intercept, and vertical asymptote x equals 0. As x approaches 0 from the right, the function falls without bound. The water acts as a mirror, showing how this downward plunge is an exact inverse of the upward climb. Swapping the intercepts and rotating the asymptote forces this particular trajectory to plummet rather than ascend. The heron walks beside a dense patch of reeds, moving in one full wave cycle. Nature often moves in steady, repeating rhythms. H of x equals 2 sine x plus 1 has amplitude 2. Midline y equals 1, and period 2 pi. These specific boundaries trap a trajectory, preventing it from reaching infinity and forcing it into a predictable, endless loop. Following a descending shoreline, she steps deeper into the same marsh. Some movements steadily lose momentum. D of x equals 8 times 1/2 to the x power, has y-intercept 0, 8, no x-intercept, and horizontal asymptote y equals 0. As x increases, the function approaches 0 from above. Unlike unrestrained growth or an endless wave, these parameters trace a path that perpetually slows. It settles infinitely closer to a flat, silent limit without ever actually touching it. The heron stands perfectly still in the complete wetland. Intercepts, asymptotes, end behavior, amplitude, midline, and period describe the defining features of these graphs. Whether a movement accelerates, drops, loops, or fades, its path is always governed by specific, identifiable rules.
Ren uses amplitude 2, midline 1, and period 2 pi for the sine cycle.